कोरियन रैमेन हेवन। मेरे डियोर के बैग पे दाग लग गया। Can't believe we are in Seoul, you guys. ये अच्छा दिख रहा है, इधर चलो। Indians happy over here.
पैसा खर्चा करने के बाद खुशी कितनी हो रही
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Travel with Sar, where you and we travel together. We have been skincare pagloos together on this channel for the last 8 years now, and finally in Travel with Sar, you and I are unlocking a new country. We are going to South Korea. Oh my god, as a skincare lover, I am so excited to go to South Korea just to shop. I'm not even kidding, my bag is half empty. I have not carried anything on one side of my suitcase, and that is difficult to believe, right? Because मैं बहुत overpack करती हूँ. मैंने actually एक cabin luggage को मेरे बड़े luggage के अंदर डाला और एक extra cabin भी लिया. And to make things interesting, this is not a solo trip. This is a girls trip. I am so excited. Oh my god, I was so sick since the last few days. Been working so much. Y'all are seeing it in vlogs, and Hustle with Sar has become crazy busy. And y'all are tired of me working. I am definitely tired of me working because I am definitely doing the work. So I'm so burnt out. I'm so tired. And after a new launch at Impulse Coffees, मेरा हो ही जाता है. मतलब I reach my peak after a new launch. So I have reached my peak. I'm so exhausted. You can see it in my eyes. I want sleep. I have a very long flight. We start in the morning and we will reach, I think, tonight or tomorrow morning. In this girls trip, Sharon and I are leaving from Mumbai, and guess who's joining us there? Pooja is coming. So excited. Oh my god, I'm gonna meet Pooja after Diwali. Right after Diwali, I'm meeting her. But it just feels when you don't meet your best friend for 6 months, the therapy you need is to hug your best friend. I can't wait to meet her, hug her, just spend time. I've told Sharon and Pooja strictly no work for the next 10 days that we are in South Korea. हम लोग कोई brand से नहीं जा रहे हैं, हम कुछ भी नहीं, हम खुद से जा रहे हैं. We are going to actually enjoy, eat, shop a lot, do skin treatments, do all of it. We're gonna have so much fun. Okay, it's early in the morning. Reeth has also just left for Assam, so we always plan our trips like this. So he's left for Assam. He's also going to come 1 month later now. And in this vlog, I'm actually planning to do it a little differently इस बार. मैं आप लोग को सारे खर्चे बताऊंगी. Okay, I have never done this before on my channel. मैं खाली Airbnb के links नीचे डाल देती हूँ हमेशा. But this vlog में I will tell you exactly at what point you're spending how much. So how much you spend from Mumbai to South Korea and 1 day in Seoul. So 1 day in Seoul, South Korea, how much you end up spending. Then you definitely go ahead, multiply and do your hisab. So that's how it's going to be. I'm planning to do like thematic vlogs this time, जो हर vlog का एक agenda होगा, एक title होगा और हम कुछ अलग explore करेंगे हर vlog में. I have really cool ideas. So here's hoping it like executes and comes true. We all love travel. We love traveling. We get very inspired creatively when we're traveling. My best part about content creation is when I get to travel and make new content in a new country and do skincare shopping. मेरे जितने products खत्म हुए हैं, मैंने नायका की सेल में भी नहीं मंगाया because I am going to go to the land of where it is made and I will buy it from there. Let's go. Now what you don't get in South Korea though, and is just as amazing, is my body loving lip balms. I am obsessed with their new like summer drop, and I was part of the whole rebrand, by the way. The entire time when they were rebranding, the logo change, I knew these were coming. This was revealed to Reeth and I. We were called in a cafe. We were just randomly called in a cafe and they were like, we have a surprise for y'all. And the entire rebranded collection plus the new launch was shown to us. It was so exciting to see because I have used body loving products from when I started my content creation journey. So I feel like I've seen this brand evolve over the years. And this lip balm formulation, I'm not even kidding, it's one of the best ones I've used, especially at this price point. This is the shade Popcorn and Pilates. Look at how beautifully tinted it is. It tastes like caramel popcorn. That's the taste you're getting. Oh my god, it feels like I'm having caramel ka kamal. Just with the lip balm, you get such a glassy lip. Extremely hydrating. And they come with this cute little charm. Like, they come with the charm. You don't have to do anything to get the charm. Every single lip balm is coming with a charm. This shade is universally flattering. I think ये fair skin and deep skin दोनों पे बहुत खूबसूरत लगेगा. And you can make lovely lip combos with this one. If you love caramel popcorn की खुशबू, you're going to love like the fragrance and the aftertaste that this lip balm is giving you. My favorite one when it comes to the taste is Kapi Tiramisu, जो मेरे पास अभी नहीं है because मैं ऑफिस के टेबल पे रखती हूँ. आप मेरे ऑफिस वाले व्लॉग्स में देखोगे हमेशा Kapi Tiramisu is on my tissue shoebox holder. It literally tastes like your freshly ground coffee. It is such a strong coffee aroma and coffee taste, and it's not the sweet kind of cold coffee, it's the bitter coffee that true coffee lovers love. So Kapi Tiramisu is for my deep skin tones. Y'all will love it because it's a dark brown. I'll pop a photo here of what I look like with Kapi Tiramisu, and it's for my coffee lovers. So jab Rita aur mujhe bulaya tha, they had shown us that they are changing their logo, they are changing their whole vision of how they see the brand, and so far we've only seen Body Loving as a gourmand fragrance brand. So we've known them for their vanilla vibes, their smoke and vanilla, my favorite, and all the like vanilla caramello. Those have been the fragrances that we know Body Loving for, and they kill it at that. I don't even know कि वो लोग कैसे वो प्राइस पे आपको इतना अच्छा प्रोडक्ट देते हैं जिसकी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग हाइड्रेशन हो और उसकी खुशबू अच्छी हो. But now they dropped a whole new summer collection. They launched 16 products at once. I went for the event also. If you've seen a couple of vlogs ago, I went for the event. This happens to be one of my favorite summer fragrances, by the way. Two are competing in this category for me. One is Boardroom in Bora Bora and one is Matcha but Disco. And I can just see the whole team of Body Loving like looking at me like, Sarah, you liked matcha? Because they have been suggesting that Impulse launches matcha from a really long time, and I was like, no guys, we can't do matcha. I don't like matcha. I don't know, matcha tastes like grass. I'm that person. Matcha tastes like grass. But this smells incredible. Like, I am using this shower gel. Mummy is using this body lotion. It is not the matcha taste like grass. They've made matcha but disco. How do I describe this? It is, you will get that earthy smell, almost like abhi barish hui hai, and that petrichor smell that you get, but mixed with a little bit of like more freshness. It's a very, very, very fresh fragrance. I love the mist also, by the way. Very fresh. It's literally like a fresh rainfall has fallen, and that grass smell is what they've like conquered, but made it very aqua-ish, like aqua meets earthiness. Very unique fragrance. I have literally never smelled anything like this on the international or Indian market, which is why I love it, because you put this and you smell very unique. I love smelling like different to what everyone is smelling. So if you've never tried like a different fragrance, I would highly recommend buying this, like Matcha but Disco. If you don't want to get the mist, like because mist is a permanent, like what do you say, permanent fragrance, like ye lagaya aaram se 3-4 ghante you're going to be smelling of this. So ye nahi lagana, then you can get the shower gel. So you get that experience in the shower, because it's genuinely going to be like barish hui hai abhi and wo mast khushbu aa rahi hai if you love rains and you love monsoon, that is. But Boardroom and Bora Bora is going to be a cult favorite. Okay, this one I got a chance to send it to 100 of my Sarah squad. I had put a form on Instagram and a lot of my Sarah squad filled it. We shortlisted 100 folks to get Boardroom in Bora Bora. You can see how much of this I've used. I've been obsessed with this as well. I can layer these. They're very, very nice to layer as well. So I'm going to put these. Boardroom in Bora Bora is a classic. इसमें ज़्यादा no-brainer ही fragrance है ये. मतलब ये सभी को अच्छी लगेगी. If you are confused online कि मुझे क्या खरीदना चाहिए, तो ये तो आपको पक्का अच्छी लगेगी. ये बहुत how do I say, like people pleasing fragrance hai ye. Floral meets freshness. It's a perfect summer fragrance. I love the play on words they've done, by the way. Boardroom in Bora Bora. You can wear it in a boardroom, you can wear it in Bora Bora. It's literally your everyday. And I have the shower gel for this as well. You take a shower with this, you come out, you come to your bedroom, you apply the Boardroom in Bora Bora body lotion, and then you go ahead and apply the body mist, and you're going to be smelling delicious all freaking day. And you know, with my discount code, you get a discount on Body Loving's website all the time. So go ahead, grab their summer collection. It's genuinely so amazing and so worth it. It's also a great gifting option if you want to gift your loved ones something. You can make a nice lovely hamper of a 3-step routine, and you'll still be on a budget because you will use my discount code, right? So I'm going to link everything you need in the description box. And now let's go from Mumbai to South Korea. Finally getting rid of this Patra view, bro. Yes! So excited to not see Patras and Khaddes.
And air चाहिए मेरे तभी ठीक करने में.
I swear, we are always sick before we are flying, and then the international air hits us and we're okay. This happened even before Cannes. Yeah, this is our first non-work trip international, right? Oh my god. Okay, the kharcha starts from Bombay. If you take an Uber to come to the airport, you can spend anywhere between 500 to 1,500 depending on how far you stay from the airport. And airport is in Andheri. The old airport I'm talking about, the Andheri one. The Navi Mumbai one is the really far. We are done with everything, by the way. We are in the duty free of Mumbai checking out perfumes because we were making a reel on perfume prices. This is good. I'll buy it.
It's the same same size. This is 50 ml.
This is
No, that is big size.
This
and
is
that
big.
Small.
Before boarding the flight, you get Mumbai duty free, and it's a very exciting place for shoppers. If you do end up shopping anything like I did, this is 7,000 rupees for the Givenchy perfume. I love carrying a new perfume for a new travel, ताकि सारी memories इससे attached हो. And I got 25% off on this. So the kharcha has begun. But if you're not a shopaholic like me, अभी तक आपका कुछ खर्चा नहीं हुआ except the Uber. Now we will go to eat at the Mumbai airport because both of us have not had breakfast, and it was pretty smooth so far. Smooth sailing. So hoping to have this only because it's a 22-hour journey that we are going to go for. And Pooja is coming tomorrow, by the way. FYI. If you want to save money, you can carry Impulse Coffee sachets with you and ask for hot water and make it yourself, because that will be 1 cup for 16 rupees, which is not the case with airport coffee. Airport coffee 530 for 2. Dosa at the airport 500 rupee each dosa. Overpriced, not good, but this is life. Yeah, you have to eat before you board because they'll not give you food for another 2 hours. So might as well eat whatever you're getting. Everything is overpriced at the airport. Guys, we've landed in Singapore and the beauty of this airport never fails to amaze me. They do so much at this airport to keep tourists entertained. So beautiful. Sharon, welcome to Singapore. You know, orchid is their national flower. That's an orchid. Yeah. What do you feel like eating? I feel like eating. मुझे भूख लगी है. मेरे को तो एयरपोर्ट देखते के साथ ही भूख और शॉपिंग दोनों लगती है. Yes. Yeah, but look at Charles and Keith just calling my name there. But I already did damage just last month, so. Hey. ये बैग भी इधर ही खरीदा था एयरपोर्ट पे. हाँ तो. Before boarding my flight.
That is Poland. This is what Baron got, Poland card.
Which Poland card you? हाँ, the Poland tube, everyone's carrying it.
Yeah.
This one, na? The structure tote. Yeah. I should also get it. Dupe.
But it's really good actually.
I know.
बर्बाद कर दी. That brown also.
Yeah, I've seen people. A very nice cherry. See now who's saying go inside. No. Y'all think, guys, I do the kharcha, but actually the instructions come from here. What rubbish. Sharon is like, ye le lo. See, this is Bonnie's dupe. The small Bonnie tote's dupe. The Prada Bonnie tote, the smaller size. Yeah, see the leather looks, they've duped the texture very well. See the texture dupe. It's exactly how this texture of the leather is. A nice beach bag I wouldn't mind, Sharon, even though I have no beach holidays. हाँ आते वक्त ही लेंगे, अभी नहीं लेंगे. अभी we will minimize खर्चा. Bottega dupe in Charles and Keith. Charles and Keith be duping left, right, center. This is also Hermes dupe, na? Yeah, this is to Kelly. Yeah, Hermes Kelly. The charms are so adorable, but अपने को बहुत charms मिलेंगे अभी. Korea's full of bad charms. So cute. We are starting the damage at Singapore airport. Loved these belly flats so much. I don't have this color in flats. Very adorable, but not my size. ये 40 है, थोड़ी सी tight है, थोड़ी सी छोटी है. This is 41 in a different color palette, and I do really like this also, like a cherry red. It's very Korea coded, approved by my stylist also. So super. We'll go with the outfits I'm carrying. वैसे मैंने सिर्फ 4 outfit carry किया, बाकी हम shopping करने वाले हैं.
कुछ नहीं लाई है, जो मैंने पैक किया था सब निकाल दिया.
Guys, what is the point of going to Korea if you're not going to shop? These countries are to shop only. Got one footwear from Charles and Keith for 49 Singapore dollars. That's a very good deal. Next stop? No? Why? अगले साल? इतना दूर? ये कारपेट पे क्यों लोग कारपेट क्यों लगाते हैं एयरपोर्ट पे? मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता है. T2 पे भी धक्का देना इतना मुश्किल है। तो मेरे को ये सब दुकानों के थ्रू चलाएगी तो बहुत खतरनाक है। रेस्टोरेंट सेक्शन में घुस। गाइस, दिस वॉकिंग रोबोट हैज बॉट आवर फूड एट सिंगापुर एयरपोर्ट इन एशिया स्ट्रीट किचन। वी गॉट एग फ्राइड राइस विद सम मीट एंड tacos. That's a fulfilling meal.
Yeah, it is.
Really fulfilling. Big tacos. I am not on a diet on this trip, so I'm gonna have a lot of carbs and sugar and just enjoy myself. So we are at Lee Ho Tea. We'll take something we can share because these portions are massive. We've also taken takeaway. This is all basic. This will be good. Thai tea with brown sugar pearl. This is my favorite kind of boba tea. This is the card I use during my travels for everyone asking. This is it. फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राइंग। सिंगापुर में बहुत फेमस है ये ब्रांड का मैंने नहीं पी हूँ। नॉट अ फैन ऑफ टी। यू ट्राइड थाई मिल्क टी? यू लाइक इट आई थिंक। आई डोंट नो। नो व्हाट? आई डोंट नो इफ दिस ब्रांड इज नॉट गुड। Yes. Low sugar we said. You don't like it? No?
Very matcha no? वो मिल्की पी के मेरे को मस्त हो गया। मैंने बोबा ट्राई नहीं की। बोबा is a tea.
Boba is sago. Boba has a chewy. Got it? This is our next flight. The Seoul Incheon Airport. 612 Terminal 2 E26. We came to Terminal 1 just to show Sharon around Changi Airport. Now SkyTrain to Terminal 2. She saw a little bit of Changi, but her luck didn't allow her to see Jewel because Jewel shuts from 10 to 10. And ChatGPT gave us misinformation. मैं घर से ही plan करी थी कि I want to show her Jewel, but when I asked ChatGPT said that you need visa for Jewel, and she doesn't have visa because our Korean visa came very late, so she couldn't apply for Singapore visa. Good she didn't, because we have layover both the times in the night, so her money would have been wasted had she applied. But you don't need visa to go to Jewel Fountain. You can just take a layover. You can go see Jewel Fountain. Terminal 1 पे है. Terminal 1 has a lot of beauty in Singapore and lot of shopping, but the only thing is, only catch is it's open from 10 AM to 10 PM, and we asked the information desk at 10:20 and they were like 20 minute पहले fountain बंद हो गया है. And unfortunately, even when we are coming back, we are in the night from 11 to 7 at the airport, so we won't be able to see Jewel. Showed her from the outside what it looks like when we took the SkyTrain. But if you take a layover at Singapore airport, you know to keep in mind that you can go see Jewel Fountain, go shop at Oysho and eat Aburien, all these things that I recommend in Singapore at the Terminal 1. Even drink percentage coffee, very good coffee in percentage. All this you can do at Terminal 1. This is Terminal 3. I showed her window shopping at Cartier, Louis Vuitton,
and then
Prada,
Gucci,
Gucci, Bottega.
Bottega.
Yeah, so we did some window shopping, wish listed some items.
You might see not so soon,
Next year. Guys, I've come to Singapore airport way too many times for layover or for visiting the city, and I was today years old till I realized that all the orchids at the airport, literally every single one of them is real. वो दूर से इतने खूबसूरत लगते हैं कि मुझे लग रहा था fake है, and Sharon told me today that everything is real. She came first time and her observation is so good that these are तो not even that bloomed, but the ones on Terminal 3 are in full bloom, and all of them are real. Beautiful. And this massive orchid decoration here also. All these orchids are real. Alright, our flight has started boarding, but I am sitting over here making payments for our car. We have booked a car to go from Seoul to Busan. It's a road trip. For this we paid $218, booked via this eDreams rental car, eDreams. As you can see, it will accommodate 4 bags, and we've also taken insurance, and that is the total for a 4-day road trip in Korea minus the fuel. Other things also that we have sat here at the airport and figured now is a different navigation app. Google Maps does not work in Korea very well or very accurately. We have downloaded this app. It's called Kakao app. Kakao app is for maps. Kakao Maps, and Kakao T is for the taxi. So Uber, Google Maps, all that is not going to work very well in South Korea. So these are different apps. There's a Naver Maps करके भी. So instead of Google Maps, you use either Naver or Kakao. So all this application अभी बैठ के एयरपोर्ट पे हमने डाउनलोड किया है, and we've logged into everything. You know, OTP verification वगैरह होता है, otherwise we'll reach the airport and have trouble. So downloaded everything and all. So now we're sorted. We have a car booked for the second leg of our trip. We have our Airbnb coordinated with if they'll give us an early check-in tomorrow. If not, then we will have to roam the streets tomorrow. But that's also figured out, and downloaded the apps. Put money in the Forex card. I've put around 1.5 lakh right now. Let's see if we need around the trip, then we'll see. And I showed you the Forex I'm using as well. This is my 21st country traveling, so I have done this multiple times to feel confident to give you ज्ञान now कि कैसे करते हैं, क्या करते हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to South Korea. We are finally in Seoul, South Korea after the longest journey ever. First thing you do when you land in a new country is get connectivity. Now one option is of course to get roaming on your SIM card, which is the option I always go for because I have to pay tax. I have to pay TDS and GST most often than not. TDS हो गया ये महीने का, but GST आएगा मुझे भरने को. And उसके लिए जो banking OTPs आते हैं, they don't come on your email, they only come on your phone number. A lot of OTPs come for me on my phone number with business and everything, so I always get roaming. On Airtel, the roaming for 10 days for my 10-day trip is 3,000 rupees, and since Sharon doesn't have any such liability, she is getting the Korean local SIM card over here, an eSIM card. She's figuring it out for 10 days how much it costs. I'm gonna pop it over here for y'all. So if I'm traveling solo, I always get roaming, but if I'm traveling with someone, I get roaming and the other person gets a local SIM. Even when I went to Kazakhstan, Reet did local SIM, I did roaming. Local SIM is always cheaper than roaming. It's, I'm sure, cheaper than 3,000 rupees. Let's see what she's figured out. 44 Korean won. 44,000 Korean won. I have got the message. It is 2,800, so kind of similar. For 10 days only? Yeah, even for 10 days I paid 2,009. 2,800? Okay. This is how much the taxi is going to charge. This is only the bus ka lane over here. So different than anything. And agar signal green होता है तो ये light green होती है और फिर red होती है. Very organized. Oh my god, I love foreign cities and how organized they are. It's not that cold. It's 17 degrees, but city में 17 degrees is pretty doable. Alright guys, we are all loaded in this taxi. काफी easy था. Book करना मुश्किल हुआ. Venti लिया है हमने. And the city looks really nice. Ah, the weather is amazing. Weather's nice, no? Welcome to South Korea. पधारिए. Hey hey. Ha. Second country together.
But it's not very cold.
Yes.
Twenty minutes later.
Alright, we have arrived in the neighborhood where our stay is. This is the location of our stay. It's pretty prime, the neighborhood and all. We still have to figure out. But let's get this luggage up in the storage. She's not giving us the room till 3 o'clock. So right now over here, India mein to it is 8 o'clock, but over here it's 11:30. Elevator mein ghus gaye. Elevator card idhar hai. 302, 302. Here's yours. हम अंदर है और जा ही नहीं पाए. ओके, गॉट इन टू द स्टे. दिस इज आवर अपार्टमेंट. ये हमारा अपार्टमेंट है, बट इसका अभी तक जो कोड है वो एंटर नहीं हुआ है. यहाँ पे हम अंदर नहीं घुस सकते क्योंकि चेक इन टाइम हुआ नहीं है. तो उन्होंने हमको यहाँ पे बोला है लगेज रखने के लिए. इसके साथ हम सिक्योर कर सकते हैं लगेज, आई गेस. ओके, शी इज फिगर्ड इट आउट. स्मार्ट गर्ल. ऑलराइट, हमने सारा लगेज सिक्योर कर लिया है. चलो अभी नीचे चलते हैं एंड लेट्स फिगर द नेबरहुड. आई टोल्ड हर एज सून एज द अपार्टमेंट इज रेडी शी विल लेट अस नो.
this nonsense.
It's different than Japan. I don't know how to explain. It's different than Japan. Japan is very busy. At least Tokyo is. Sharon, God eat. It almost looks like Jesus, I think. Yeah. It's calling your name. Yeah, let's go. What? Zero store. There's grocery also I want to buy for the room. Eggs and all. अरे coffee तो हर जगह मिलेगा. But this is taco and beer. God is selling beer. God usually sells wine, no? ये थोड़ा hilly है.
हाँ.
ऐसा चलेंगे तो. हाँ, let's try. Kong Cafe. Closed है, closed.
बंदी हो रहा है.
अच्छा. Working hours से ये forever बंद हो रहेगा इस. Not recommended क्योंकि बचेगा ही नहीं. Been to Paris? कोरिया आके पेरिस.
चलो उधर है कॉफी.
कॉफी तो होगा. बीन लिखा है नाम में. कॉफी बीन ही है ना ये. मेन्यू देख लेते. अरे यार इधर भी आके फ्रेंच खाना पड़ रहा है. नहीं शरण, लेट्स डू बेटर. कुछ ना कुछ तो मिलेगा. गूगल मैप्स, नेवर, ककाओ, कुछ तो खोलो. हाँ, तुझे सिम कार्ड क्यों ली फिर? अच्छा. दिस सीम्स डूएबल. इधर क्या लिखा है नहीं मालूम, बट उधर कॉफी और डिजर्ट लिखा है. अभी बहुत भूख लगी है. और मैप्स, मैं खिड़की से जाने वाली. That खिड़की looks like a door, right? High quality coffee and dessert. Okay. There's really good stuff. There's egg tart and all.
잠깐씩 오가도 돼. 내 어깨 빌려줄게. 네 속도에 맞출게. Baby, let's go for a ride. 쓸데없는 생각.
The first 7-Eleven has been spotted. Let's go. So we are staying in this area called Hongdae. Again, I don't know the pronunciations. I have not learned Korean and come. Over the days, I will learn the basic greetings. I know it's Annyeong. Annyeong is, I think, welcome. I think. Because I watched Doobie Doobab. And she says, Annyeong Doobies. That's how she starts her vlog. That's how I know Annyeong is something. Baki kuch nahi aata. Dekhte. We'll figure. But ye Hongdae area hai. It's a very slow neighborhood. Very beautiful. And has a lot of things around. I always pick a centrally located kind of a spot so that we can walk and reach places. But your public transport is also really nice. And it's pedestrian friendly, of course. One day we can eat here also. Officially have kimbap.
Yes. I've never tried kimbap, you know. I also want to try because मतलब कोई आके try करेगा.
I also don't think I've tried. Is this the rice cake?
It is not the ice cream.
Because in Japan I had a lot of things, but I don't know what they were called. I had this triangle
Only
thing.
rice. No, that is only rice. Egg.
Onigiri, I think. This is
Onigiri, yeah.
Onigiri I've had.
Yeah,
7-Eleven तो बहुत खाया Japan में. The kind of stuff you'll get here is mad. Look at that. Ferrero Rocher with a charm, bad charm. This is everything that I've seen in vlogs. Ki coffee, tea, soup. You can make it in the microwave and the smoothie machine. And guys, I'm gonna send this to Reet. Assamese people famous globally. मैं पता है flight में एक बंदी को बोली कि my partner's from. She has come to India a lot of times. She's Chinese origin. I told her my partner's from Northeast. She's like, oh, so he looks like me. And I was like, that's very racist to say for you only.
Yeah.
But no, he doesn't.
Crazy.
She's like, oh, you know, when I come to India, I don't find anybody looking different. There are people who look like me. There are so many different. So she feels included. I want to have a budget trip. Just take all this, make room pe. Guys, Korean ramen heaven in Korea. Crazy. Got enough groceries to survive today's day, and for one day of groceries we spent 30,950 Korean won. नहीं रे पागल है, इधर कोई चोरी वोरी नहीं करता है इंडिया में. Botto is burr. Burr ही है शरण, burr. तेरा पेरिस वाला burr मिल गया. 12,500. कितना हुआ? 12,500.
This is today's workout.
Bro, सीढ़ियों से चढ़ाएंगे कैसे अपने bags?
On the सीढ़ी से.
It's a duplex. This is only living room. There's no room नीचे.
मैं living में रहूँ.
गरम થાય છે गरम. ये क्या है? Ventilation. What is this? अच्छा, these are lights. Lights नहीं चाहिए. अभी AC किधर है? एक एक करके चढ़ाना पड़ेगा I think. Bags क्योंकि नीचे से outfit लेके ऊपर जाएंगे ऐसा करने वाले. एक बार ऊपर का देख के आते हैं. हाँ चल. Let's have a look. What are we signing up for? Kitchen and everything is here. There is no room down. There's a sink. There's a toilet. There's a kitchenette over here. Dining, bedroom. Where's the other bedroom?
ऊपर होगा
इससे ऊपर कहाँ है?
है ना ये
ओह
उसने बोला कि ऊपर टेरेस है करके
अच्छा मैंने नहीं सुनी है किधर बोला उसने तो बहुत बड़ा घर है मेरे को बुक करते समय इतना बड़ा नहीं लगा
पूरा दूसरा बेडरूम वॉशरूम
I love this washroom
बाथटब है
ये वॉशरूम कितना प्यारा है
है।
सनलाइट filtering through oh Jesus there's one more floor
ये बहुत ज्यादा
तू तो ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे सोने वाली थी ना
This is your rooftop.
It's too hot to go there. ये तो हो गया कार्डियो पिलाटेस जाने की जरूरत नहीं है patio. There's a patio. Guys, this is a massive Airbnb like you saw. Kitchen, dining room, one bedroom, upar one more bedroom that had a dresser, that had another bathroom. This is having a toilet and kitchen area is also fully equipped. There is a coffee machine over here. There is microwave, kettle. What is this like a pizza? वो सब जो 7-Eleven से लाएंगे वो गरम कर सकते हैं. Fridge भी है. Fridge में कुछ सामान नहीं है. पर अभी जो बटर वगैरह हम लेके आए वो डाल देंगे. So it's honestly really incredible. I did not think I was booking such a big stay. Like एक इंसान एक फ्लोर पे रहने वाला है. इतना बड़ा stay है ये. When you take an Airbnb, you save money with grocery store items. We are making wholesome eggs and ramen. Literally जो घर पे खाते हैं वही. शेरन अभी मूड में आ रही है गाना वाना बजेगा.
सोना है क्या नींद आ रहा है
नींद नहीं आ रहा है बट खा के आएगा. मैं इंडिया से डॉक्टर जाट का रबर मास्क लाई थी जो कोरिया में बहुत वायरल है और मेरे पास है 5-6 पड़े बट इंडिया में टाइम ही नहीं मिलता करने का. मैं सोची अपने हॉलिडे पे कर लूँ. दिस इज द ग्लो वाला. देखते कुछ ग्लो आएगा. 20 मिनट तो हो गया. ओह आया तो है भाई ग्लो क्योंकि फ्लाइट के बाद बहुत सूख गई थी स्किन एंड आई हैव नॉट कैरीड एनी स्किन केयर फ्रॉम इंडिया बिकॉज इन द होप्स दैट आई एम गोइंग टू बाय अ लॉट हियर. आई डिडंट वांट टू कैरी एनीथिंग फ्रॉम इंडिया. ओनली दिस वन शीट मास्क आई थॉट आई विल डू ऑन द फ्लाइट एक्चुअली. Our first meal in Korea at the house that we have. Beautiful. Oh guys, I have to show you a disaster that has happened. Of course, we've landed and some disaster has to happen. मेरे Dior के बैग पे दाग लग गया येलो कलर का iodine stain from the betadine gargle which leaked in the bag that had this. I tried washing it a little. थोड़ा सा कम हुआ है but it's not gone. I will give it in Dior once I'm back in Bombay. I'll send this to my shopping assistant and see. इसे इतना visible नहीं होगा but अभी लग गया तो क्या कर सकते हैं.
Many hours later.
We took a good 4-hour nap because we were so tired after our 24-hour journey and now it's time to go out in South Korea. It's past 10 p.m. but the best part about Seoul is that it is alive. The Seoul is still alive at late night. The shopping and stuff will be shut but there will be like a nightlife vibe. There will be a lot of street food. There will be barbecue joints. I really want to try Korean barbecue because it's such a big thing. अभी मैंने K-dramas नहीं देखे and I'm not a Korean pop or a Korean drama fan. I'm a K-beauty fan. I love Korean skincare and I do also love Korean food. So I'm very excited to try the local food in the local places. We are going to do street food market etc. tomorrow. आज हम यही neighborhood को explore करेंगे अभी बाहर जाके. We had plans of going out for sunset etc. but we were so tired that we just slept and कितने alarms बजे but मैंने खोला ही नहीं. I'm wearing this cute blue waistcoat from this brand called Oela. Very cute and Korean aesthetic. It's also cinched at the back. Actually I'm going to make Sharon cinch it a little bit more for me. इसमें पीछे ऐसा cinching thing है. Sharon is getting ready on the नीचे वाला floor. I've come ऊपर to talk to y'all and हमने नहा भी लिया है. My scalp was very greasy so I finger coiled my entire hair and it looks really nice. एक बार सूख जाएगा. I have no idea कि बाहर क्या temperature चल रहा है currently. No idea. So I think I'm going to go out and feel really cold. We've not packed properly for this trip because we are really hoping to shop over here. I want to buy from Korean fashion because when I went to Singapore last time, the black dress I wore for the Disney cruise event was also from a Korean fashion house, and Korean fashion is also incredible. Shopping here in Seoul is insane और मुझे really shopping करनी है और मुझे वो कपड़े इधर ही पहनने हैं, इसलिए मैंने इंडिया से कुछ भी नहीं लाई हूँ, जैकेट्स भी नहीं, मैंने अच्छी ब्रा भी नहीं लाई हूँ, मैं सब कुछ ही खरीद के जाने वाली हूँ. आई एम वेरी होपफुल विद दैट. नाउ कमिंग टू हाउ मच वी आर स्पेंडिंग टू स्टे इन Hongdae in this incredible 3-story Airbnb. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? It is 8,916 rupees per person per night. Crazy, right? That is really inexpensive. If you've been to any other foreign country, big houses like this would cost me anywhere between 25,000 per person per night. But this is very good deal. मुझे honestly लगा था 2-story है, but this is 4 stories. There's a terrace also. It's really spacious. Very nice apartment. It's 8,900 per person. तो अगर आप multiply करोगे 3 लोगों में and then 4 रातों में, तो फिर 1 लाख का total bill आता है 4 रात का, which is a very good deal. 1 lakh for this place, especially it's in a very good neighborhood. Very good connectivity, so thumbs up from that. I will of course link it niche for y'all if you want to check it out. Let's quickly put on some jewelry. I'm not putting makeup at all. We are in Seoul and it's the land of K-beauty, so mostly going to let my skin breathe, but I will do makeup in the daytime. अभी तो रात हो गई, अभी हम शायद 2 घंटा 3 घंटा बाहर होंगे and we'll come back, so it's fine. I'm just really hoping कि ज़्यादा ठंडी नहीं हो and मुझे सर्दी ना लगे बाहर जाके. Let's hope for the best. ये ऊपर नीचे जाने में ना जितना कार्ब्स खाएंगे सब डाइजेस्ट हो जाएगा, इसलिए I weighed myself. I'm 88 kgs at the start of the trip. Let's see how much I am at the end.
ये सब जगह 3 story है.
नहीं, शहर में सब जगह 3 story. It is dark and the neighborhood is pretty quiet, but it is not cold at all. Alright guys, things are shut, like stores and restaurants are shut majorly. जो भी हमको दिन में खुला मिला था ये neighborhood में, still the vibe is alive. काफी safe है, बहुत सारे फ्रेंड ग्रुप्स घूम रहे हैं, लड़कियाँ अकेली घूम रही है, तो इट इज़ सेफ. ऐसा नहीं कि अनसेफ है. एंड द टेम्परेचर इज़ क्वाइट बेरेबल. इट इज़ नॉट एट ऑल एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड. आई थिंक इट्स 19-20 डिग्रीज और ठंडी ठंडी हवाएं नहीं चल रही है, सो वी कैन इन स्लीवलेस बी फाइन. वी आर गोइंग टू होंगडे शॉपिंग स्ट्रीट. कुछ शॉपिंग तो खुला नहीं होगा, बट बेसिकली वाइब चेक करने के लिए जा रहे हैं. And we're using Naver maps to navigate. From that Shant street, we've come to this bustling neighborhood. Literally 2 minutes away from our apartment. काफी happening है. Right लेना है. हाँ, तो ये crossing. There is no crossing signal, so cars will wait for us. And believe we are in Seoul, you guys. See, dim sum place is open. ऊपर वाली. We are trying to get a Korean barbecue. And we need cash also. We don't have any cash. You guys, look at how alive this place is. You wanna eat here? नहीं, थोड़ा चलना है ना. But this place is extremely alive for Korean barbecue. So good the vibes are. We can shortlist it. Lots of places are opening. It's a very nightlife friendly place, which is good for us because in India it's 5 o'clock right now. यूरोप में उल्टा होता है मालूम है, जब तक पार्टी करने का टाइम होता है तो नींद आ जाए. वो लोग पीछे है ना, ये लोग आगे है अपने से.
언제부터였을까 넌 내게 묻지마 사실 조금은 티가 나.
Oh, the joy of these pedestrian friendly countries. There's no better joy. Look at that. There's a freaking park in a city which is so high tech. I love that about foreign countries. And so many things to see. So instead of taxi, you just walk. Always prefer walking or taking the subway.
보여 네 몸집 표정 하나하나에 잠깐만 나오라고 부를 때까지 기다렸다 날 봐.
The first Olive Young has been spotted. Oh my god, if you don't know, this is like the Nykaa of Korean brands. You will get everything under the sun over here. I have seen a lot of reels that you get prices even better than Olive Young. The shopping mostly we are going to do for skincare, K-beauty, on the last day because it'll be easier to pack and travel around. Yeah, we will of course enter. Darshan तो करके आएंगे अगर खुला है. You know, it's like मंदिर के माथे टेक के आते, माथा टेक के आते Olive Young में. I think this is our nearest big subway station as well, and there's a bus also that goes on till late in the night. We'll do all that when we go a little far. Green color का icon I think bus का है. Green line, red line है ना. Like green bus है, red bus है, एक और color है, blue bus है. ये CU में देखते हैं शरण. ATM और Team Money Card.
두근거림에 눈을 굴려 잠들지 못해 너와 있으면
I took 1 lakh won and I paid 5,000 as the transaction fee for the ATM, which is a better rate I will get than if I get my currency from India. So it's always better to get money in the forex and then withdraw from the ATM. At least personal preference. मैं finance creator नहीं, मैंने जितना travel किया उससे बोल रही हूँ आपको. This use in bus only metro. Bus. Subway. Metro.
Taxi.
Everywhere. सब जगह use कर सकते बोल रहे. Okay. How to recharge? Recharge?
차지도 할 수 있어.
Okay, 2. I need 2. We've got the T Money travel card for foreign visitors. You get them at any convenience store. This is a CU store. You can get it at 7-Eleven also. But you need cash to buy it and cash to recharge it. They do not accept card for it, which is why I removed money from the ATM, which was also inside this only. Made 4,000 krona for one of these cards. Took 3 because Pooja is also with us. So Pooja, Sherin and I, all of us will need a different card. I put 10,000 in Sherin and Mira. And for Pooja, I put 8,000 because she's coming a little later. I'm sure we'll have to recharge more. But yeah, I still have 60,000 krona left cash. Guys, please excuse me if I keep saying krona. I don't know why. I think KRW means krona. It's not. It's Korean won. And krona is Sweden's currency. I don't know how I picked that up. I've never even been to Sweden. Is this a sign that I should go because I'm saying krona non-stop? Guys, if you're solo travelers, there is a hostel here also on Hongdae Street, which is a very lit area. Definitely check it out for budget travels. यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है.
내려앉은 밤이 너무 짧은데 baby I'm not.
There are two very real struggles that we are facing right now. One is the language and the other is whatever ChatGPT is saying the restaurant to go to. जब वो location मैं Naver Maps पे डाल रही हूँ या Kakao Maps पे डाल रही हूँ, no results found. कोई भी चीज़ के लिए no results found. Results ही नहीं दिखाना है ये maps को, तो हम जाएंगे कैसे? तो हम तुक्का लगा रहे हैं चलने के लिए. ये अच्छा दिख रहा है तो चलो. Guys, shopping मिल गई, कपड़े नहीं लाए हम. ये लड़कों के है. Two skirts. Sherin, YSL and Burberry पे sale है. 20% असली होगा. Lacoste and all is there. It's a thrift store.
시발 보내지 말아달라고. Baby kiss me 보여줘. 네 깊은 맘속에 날 데려가줘. Baby hug me 안아줘. 그리고 내일도 날 보러 와줘. 맘속이 따뜻해.
This is the fit we need for the Barmaid skirt.
This top we can get. अगर अलग से मिलता है तो.
예고 없이 찾아온 설렘.
Alright guys, we've got some outfits, really cool ones for our trip. Let's go. Thank you. Good night. There's also really good jewelry and stuff. We'll come again tomorrow. This was the store and it was so good. 3F we have designer and luxury high end. Over here I've spent 14,000 rupees and got 5-6 really good outfits. 3 floors. Upper is luxury. We'll come tomorrow. Haha. 12 बजे last checkout हमने किया, अभी बंद कर रहे वो लोग दुकान.
खाना मिलना चाहिए अभी.
मिलेगा. नहीं मिले तो 7-Eleven की जय.
Yes, हम वही खाएंगे ramen और अंडा.
फिर हो गया हमारा 24 hours surviving on convenience store food. I was going to make a challenge video on it, but ऐसी बन गया. Guys, we finally found a Korean barbecue place. Is it open? How do you go here?
사랑할 수 있을까? 지금이 딱 just feel my way. 내 마음이 따끈할 때 just come here right now baby. 너만 있으면 난 뭐든지 돼.
बड़ी मुश्किल से ट्रांसलेट करके हमने पूरा सी फूड ऑर्डर किया है. शेरिन गूगल ट्रांसलेट कर रही है, मैं ऑर्डर कर रही हूँ.
Sometimes I don't really know if you mean it.
This is butter battered squid. Let's try. There is butter over here. Yeah, butter with chili and soy.
So tell me why don't you turn around. 잠들지 못해 너와 있으면 내려앉은 밤이 너무 짧은데 baby I'm not.
It's such different food to what we eat in India. This is like battered chewy squid and ये sweet है और फिर ये चिली जो खाओ ना इसके साथ तो मस्त किक आता है स्पाइस का. And this is butter garlic prawns. Let's try this.
Baby kiss me 보여줘. 네 깊은 맘속에 날 데려가줘. Baby hug me 안아줘. 그리고 내일도 날 보러 와줘. 눈빛으로 말해줘. 말보다 먼저 보여줘. 그저 보내긴 아쉬운 밤인가 봐.
Next destination for the night. इधर बज रहे हैं 1:1:15.
Touch tonight.
Okay, we've got a strawberry custard crepe.
네게 딴 맘속에 날 데려가줘
The next day.
Yesterday was day 0 in South Korea. Today is day 1 in Seoul, and this is the outfit after a lot of hard work. जितने भी tops मैं लेके आई हूँ, कुछ भी मुझे fit नहीं हो रहा है because I didn't try them before the trip. I was so busy. One vest which I wore yesterday fit me, and this one black vest has fit me, and this is the beautiful skirt we got from the vintage store yesterday. So this is turned out to be a very perfect Seoul fit because the people over here wear a lot of silver and black outfits. So I'm also doing silver accessories, black, but here people carry their hair straight and I'm carrying my hair curly just because my hair is naturally curly. Kept my makeup super simple. We are going to come back at 4 o'clock to the apartment. Right now it's 1 o'clock because Pooja's going to come at 4:30, so 4 o'clock we'll come back. हम आज जा रहे हैं to a neighborhood called Songsu, and from Hongdae to Songsu we need to take the bus and the subway, so we'll figure both of that out with the T-Money card that we bought yesterday. Guys, we are at the bus stop now. This is 05 दिखा रहा है bus number, और इसको translate किया तो it's the same bus stop जिस पे हमको रुकना है. First time taking the bus here, was hoping we get it right. It says it's a smoke-free bus stop, so this is what a bus stop looks like. We have to take a green color bus.
Yeah.
It's fun to figure out. I love this. Is my favorite part of coming to a new country, just figuring out the public transport. The husky has just climbed on the grass. The dogs here are too cute, and there are so many. And even at 2 o'clock in the night last night when we were walking back to the Airbnb, there were dogs which were walking at 2 o'clock in the night. Okay, time to take the first subway today. इनकी भाषा में figure out करना थोड़ा ज़्यादा मुश्किल है as compared to how much it was in Japan. It's been a while I've been to Japan. I don't remember if there was everything in English. I think there was everything in English along with the Korean language. यहाँ पे जगह का नाम है but entrance exit नहीं लिखा है, तो that's a little confusing. ये खुला ही है ना? आजा, चल के आजा. ये बंद नहीं है. हाँ हाँ आजा. I think it's this Wangsimni. On maps it's saying Sang Wangsimni. And here it's just saying Wangsimni. So whatever is closest. And Songsu ही लेके जा रहे हैं ना, अपन Songsu जा रहे हैं. Perfect है ये वाली लेनी है. It's Sunday तो बहुत भीड़. And there's a queue to take the metro. Stand in the line. Sharon is so amazed with the rules they have for public transport.
But it's so nice also.
It's important.
Yeah.
Coffee culture in South Korea is crazy. There's a vending machine everywhere. Vending machine culture in Japan is also crazy. You get everything in vending machines.
There's सब कुछ coffee everywhere.
Coffee, dessert, yeah.
We should rather coffee.
Where? Yeah, coffee, dessert. I used to do that before I was on a diet. Successfully took our first subway. It's lucky that we are on the right subway. We were not. I would get down here and change the train. We have arrived, Sangwang Simni. Yeah! Successfully first bus and first subway has been taken. अभी थोड़ी भूख लग रही है, शायद कुछ खा लेंगे ऊपर जाकर. Before we take the next bus to Seoul Forest.
चलना बहुत है, रुकना बहुत है. चले नहीं, बट खड़े थे नहीं तो बैठो.
बहुत रश था वरना बैठने मिलेगा. ट्रैवल में तो करना ही है मैम, इसलिए सांबास पहनने मना की थी देखो मैंने. देखो लाइफ में इशू है. ये तो पेरिस में चलने के लिए इतनी किटकिट की है.
इतना भी नहीं की.
These Geminis are like this. My mother is also like this. Sharon is basically my mother in a younger version. Same birthday, everything. Yeah, as if one was not enough. Oh, this is a Tusum place. Again, coffee and dessert. Wanna do this? I wanna do an open cafe.
मेरे को कुछ ब्रेकफास्ट खाने का. अभी हम लोग गए, हम लोग को उधर अंडा नहीं था, सारा उधर एक टाट खाया. And then वहाँ भी डेजर्ट ही था.
Yeah, coffee and dessert is a thing over here. Every small place, big place has coffee and dessert. ये लोग की average size के हिसाब से इनका ये handle इतना नीचे है देखो. मतलब usually handle इधर होता है, but मेरा handle इधर. हमने एक और बस ली और इसका cost 0 है क्योंकि I think एक बार बस दे दिया तो एक ही घंटे में राइड लो तो ऐसा कुछ होता है कि 0 cost होगा. तो इसमें 0 रुपीस लगा. 0 won. The lilies on the floor. लोखंडवाला में 150 रुपए के 2 मिलते हैं. And यहाँ पे crazy blooms over here in spring, like वो lilies and इतने मस्त. मतलब this full bank on the highway, they've planted real flowers. This is the ginkgo tree forest. We're just finding a cafe close by first. We both really want coffee. हमने दोनों ने खाली एक sachet impulse पिया सुबह में because यहाँ पे coffee culture इतना thick है that we want to explore when we come out. So we don't want a caffeine overload. So we took one in the morning at the Airbnb and now we will have a good big cup of a coffee over here. It's through the forest only. मैडम को चलने बहुत जान पे आता है। चल जल्दी जल्दी। सी हे, you need garden therapy. We are entering a part of the forest. Can you believe this forest is inside the city? Crazy, you know. See how they are walking. फटाफट फटाफट। See भाग रहा है वो। तू भी भाग। अभी थक और फिर बोल मेरे को भूख लगी है, मेरे को कॉफी चाहिए। Even Central Park is like this. It's not so thick, but it's very beautiful. I wish Mumbai was a planned city, man. I swear.
No, they cannot. They cannot do it. उनको लगता है कि तो बिल्डिंग खड़ा कर दो तो.
Yeah, the fact that they're just cutting all the forests, even जहाँ है, people are camping, Sharon.
Yeah. They have.
It's Sunday, na. Lots of locals are. Yeah, tents are already there. People are bringing their grocery store, convenience store items, yeah, and doing picnic. Life we don't know how to live in Bombay.
That's the thing. I just feel like over here they cater to human beings as well as the development part of it. Just not the fact that the building banao खत्म करो. I wish they understood the aspect of taking
Lifestyle, yeah. They don't understand that in.
Like all the country, like even this is so well developed, I feel, and but they're keeping in mind people like people wanting to walk.
Locals, yeah.
Locals.
इसको बोलते हैं टैक्स बराबर यूटिलाइज करना। इंडिया में टैक्स खाली पानी में। कैफे टाइम, ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम। ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं है ये, 3 बजने वाले हैं। ब्रंच ही बोलो। निटिंग कैफे, Sharon, you can sit and knit. This looks really nice. Pistachio raspberry roll. Too big? We won't finish, 2 of us. पूजा होती तो अभी गड़प. Can't wait for her to come. I think I'll do this cannoli or the Dubai pain au chocolat. That also looks. Or the Basque cheesecake. Sit in this and eat the Basque cheesecake in the garden. In the forest. Cold brew ले सकती थी को black tea. Cold brew ले ले.
क्या ले रहे हैं अपन?
मैंने पेस्तो पास्ता ली। शेयर करेगी ना वो? हाँ हाँ। Yeah, that's it. Sharon is carrying 2 bags because she wanted to make payment at Weekend Picnic and she's bought strawberry sando for 3,000 Korean won, 9,000 Korean won. You can sit here and eat it. We've taken our coffee in to-go cups, but we are entering the Seoul Forest again. This lane has all the cafes parallel to the Seoul Forest. We have a sando, we have coffee, we have a pain au chocolat, and we are going to the park. What is this life?
Yeah, get used to it.
Sharon is convinced to move abroad now.
I was convinced तभी only जब पेरिस देख लिया मैंने.
ये Mercedes Benz का कुछ है देख इधर. Pop-up जैसा. There are food trucks inside the park.
I could not see it because
Yeah, we were on the other side actually. Highway side we couldn't see, but this side it's there. In the land of bag charms, have to get a bag charm. I mean, how cute are these Teletubbies? Oh my god, so cute. There's an ice pack that goes inside and it's a dog. So the dog feels cold in this heat. And these are all dog clothes. Oh my god, I have to shop for my dog baby. Yeah. Shih Tzu? Shih Tzu good?
A few moments later.
We're taking the underground subway because Pooja has landed. So we are going from Seoul Forest back to Hongdae where we stay. And she's coming from the airport here. It was a little tricky to navigate to this point. Maps barabar nahi dikha raha tha, but then I asked a local and he was very sweet and he guided us here. Holly's coffee. In Japan there's a Tully's coffee. Like this, like a branch. Like Holly's coffee.
the coffee culture is crazy. Every person has coffee. And every other store is also coffee shop.
Yeah. See, Coffee Bean in US, Coffee Bean is very good.
इधर ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि ये नहीं चलेगा वो.
Starbucks वगैरह हाँ, but Starbucks is only namesake. Even in France, Starbucks is namesake because French coffee in cafe culture is again very big in France, no?
So exactly.
So they don't drink from Starbucks. You will want me to take white only, no? Because you're brand manager and brands love white. यहाँ पे ऐसा pop-ups बहुत है और काफी affordable है, 60% off and stuff. I'm so glad I didn't bring clothes from home at all. Like this is saying 69 after discount. This is in fact थोड़ा महंगा. कल वाली दुकान तो और भी सस्ती थी. अभी अपन पूजा को पिकअप करके लेके आते ये एरिया में और फिर करते शॉपिंग. ये ऐसे स्वेटर्स तो मैं ले लेती हूँ Sharon रेगुलर. They will style well with skirts. क्वालिटी अच्छी है इधर. आएंगे इधर फैक्ट्री आउटलेट भी है. तू इसका फोटो ले लेना तो जगह नेविगेट करनी इजी होगा. ये बास्किन रॉबिन्स ये ये होंगिक यूनिवर्सिटी वाली जगह है. I legit have to shop. I have to shop today because I don't have anything to wear tomorrow also. I need to shop today.
2 hours later.
Sharon is feeling little ulti. She did ulti also. So I'm giving her strawberry guilt-free iced tea. थोड़ा vitamin मिलेगा. Pooja tried guava chili first time. I recorded her reaction for a reel. She has liked it.
I'm more of a iced tea person any which way than iced coffee. I love iced coffee also, but iced tea.
Yeah, I bought you 6 packets to take home. So enjoy.
Like boba and all the boba.
Yeah. This is very her kind of place. I was waiting for you to come because this one doesn't like boba. She doesn't like sweet things.
I don't like the tapioca bobas. They are
Okay.
very chewy. But the bursting bobas, so
Pearl wala. No, we didn't have both.
मैं तो
We didn't have.
इंडिया में भी बहुत पीती थी. मैं तो यूके like प्लेमथ में भी पिया है.
I'm also having guava chili और मेरी लिपस्टिक पूरी लग गई है.
Matcha you like?
इसको
But I don't like normal matcha. I like it like
Strawberry matcha you get vanilla.
blueberry matcha. It's really nice.
The खर्चा will begin now that Pooja has come. अभी तक हम बहुत कल एक दिन हमारा 30,000 रुपया 2 लोगों का हुआ with टी मनी रिचार्ज एक
वो
दिन.
तो like
हाँ टी मनी तो चलेगा. हाँ बिकॉज वेरी चीप एंड बस एक बार टैप कर दो तो वापस टैप नहीं होता. वापस जीरो होता है.
Ulta online they were saying you have to tap in and out both. Otherwise it will charge you the maximum fare.
Oh.
So the soup, this was bibimbap ka base, then rice alag se tha. There was a mousse cake thingy, pickled cucumbers, muffin, and then yeah.
This is her meal on Korean Air. Amazing. चलो लेट्स गो. ठीक लग रहा है. जैकेट पहन. इसके अलावा और कोई जैकेट लाई है?
Fur wala.
हाँ वो वाला पहन. यस ओके.
If you want I have denim also, but मेरा denim देखो बहुत बड़ा.
नहीं वो काफी.
मेरा डेनिम मेरा कल वाला जैकेट नीचे ही छोड़ियो ना मैंने.
हाँ नीचे.
एक बार नीचे चली गई तो मैं वापस ऊपर नहीं आऊंगी. दिस इज द लास्ट.
अभी ट्राइपॉड लेना है.
हाँ हाँ ले. So Anyong is
Anyong is no.
हाँ
Ni
is yes. Anyong is hi. Anyong khaseo is hi. And what is thank you?
Thank you.
थैंक यू नहीं बोल पा रही हूँ मैं किसी को भी. मैं बोल रही थी मेरे beaucoup. Guys, we have to tap our T-Money card out also. We haven't been doing that since morning. तो पता चलता है कितना कटा. 600 कटा ये राइड का. This is Gwangjang market. बंद है क्या? बंद है. संडे बंद है. इतने क्या खा रहे? फ्रूट?
दे रहा है पूरा. क्रॉस करके.
Look at the first food market we've come is shut, guys. Let's go to City Hall. We're on the way to go to Myeongdong market, but we found this store and we've seen reels that यहाँ पे literally up to 90% off है on K-beauty products. तो Olive Young से भी सस्ता है इधर. So let's get a bag and let's start some shopping. Guys, this is the viral needle shot and it is 73% off over here. Crazy. Neck cream. Oh yeah, for my pigmentation you're saying? Yeah, I should, na?
This is melanin.
Melanin. Is it for pigmentation?
No.
It's for line smoothing. This is good for my mother.
Auntie.
Yeah. This is mine and Sharon's shopping. Pooja didn't buy anything, na?
Only I have that.
I bought one for Tamanna and rest is for mummy and me. Yeah, guys, tax free. Passport लेके घूमो तो tax free on the spot होगा.
One hour later.
Guys, we have arrived to the very, very famous Myeongdong neighborhood of South Korea, of Seoul. Music already सुनाई दे रहा है. There are a lot of halal options also, you guys. Ooh, this smells so good.
Yeah.
You wanna eat this? This will be good for you. Egg bun. This is like a sunny side up inside a bun. What is this? Is it cheese? Pooja, baked cheese. I want. Okay. We're taking 2 baked cheese, 5,000 for each.
Basically like cheese, like
Fry karke cheese. Vegetarians will love this. Very good. You guys, this is a place for Indians, literally vegan and halal food. So vegetarians are happy, Muslims are happy, Gujaratis are happy, Marwadis are happy, Indians happy over here. Myeongdong तो आना ही है आपको. और भीड़ भी इतनी नहीं, मुझे लगा संडे को बहुत होगी, but this is doable for us Indians. This is nothing.
just khali.
Crawford Market में तो सांस लेने की जगह नहीं होती. This is going viral. I'm hoping they'll give us this tomorrow. Yeah, this is. गाइस ये ऑथेंटिक दुकान है और इसमें कचरे के जैसा स्किन केयर फ्री मिल रहा है. फ्री नहीं, सस्ता मिल रहा है. तो लेट्स सी. ये रेजुरान वगैरह चाहिए मेरे फ्रेंड्स को. रीबैलेंसिंग टोनर, ये वाला थोड़े वायरल है. रेजुरान का क्या वायरल है? Access wise very good. Ooh, Beauty of Joseon sunscreens. Oh, this is very good apparently. हम तो ऐसे होलसेल के भाव में इधर स्किन केयर खरीद रहे हैं. It's almost questioning. शरण ये पूरा उठा ले. ये जिस तरीके से हमने शॉपिंग की है होलसेल के भाव में, मतलब देख रहे हो आप, ब्यूटी ऑफ जोसेon 900 रुपए का मिल रहा है एक. और ये शॉपिंग का तो मैं आपको टोटल भी नहीं बता पाऊंगी, इतनी मैं शर्मिंदा हूँ इससे. मैंने टीम वालों के लिए लिया है ये बायोडांस के मास्क, सनस्क्रीन. मम्मी पापा नहीं यूज करते, बट सबरीना एंड लारिसा, ये लोग सबके लिए ये सब. बट मैं भी यूज करूंगी, मतलब आधा. वी जस्ट स्पेंड 1 million Korean won on skincare and there is still this left for billing. हम Olive Young गए भी नहीं है अब तक. It's concerning.
खर्चा करने के बाद खुशी कितनी हो रही है.
I swear I could never be this.
Why am I working hard? Because I want to spend my money on this lifestyle.
This is so cute. Oh my god. The fashion here is insane. ये देखो कितनी cool है. Vintage Chanel. Oh my god. This is not original. ये सब साइड में उन लोग देते हैं. हम किमची, स्पिनच, दे आर हैविंग बियर, सोजू एंड मीट. किमची पैनकेक इज लाइक उत्तपम, वेजिटेरियन उत्तपम.
유튜브 이거나. 유튜브.
The next day.
Alrighty guys, I'm gonna end my Seoul vlog part 1 right here, from Mumbai to Seoul, and everything we did in the last 48 hours plus how much we spent was in this vlog. अगर आपको ये format अच्छा लगा, if you like me showing how much kharcha is happening at every step of the way, then let me know and we'll try to incorporate this in the vlogs to come as well. And we will do this in Travel with Sar in the future as well. If you didn't like it, also let me know. I would really appreciate the feedback. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's so much more in Seoul that we have to do, see, experience. So don't forget to hit the follow button and come along on this Travel with Sar journey in South Korea. If you like this video, don't forget a big thumbs up. 40 days video Saraswat Shaw goes to Niharika Singh. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be part of next year's Saraswat Shout Out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad and transfer to my next video Sara Squad Shout Out. See you guys soon. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.